Welcome to another enlightening exploration of the Thirukkural. Today, we delve into Chapter 4, Kural 5, which imparts a valuable lesson about righteousness. Let us uncover its wisdom together. Righteousness is all about removing the four flaws: envy, desire, anger, and harmful words. In this profound verse, the Thirukkural illuminates the path of righteousness by identifying four significant flaws that hinder our moral journey. The first flaw is envy, a destructive emotion that arises from comparing ourselves to others and feeling discontented with what we have. It clouds our judgment and distances us from righteousness. The second flaw is desire, an insatiable longing for material possessions, power, or status. It can lead us astray from the path of righteousness, causing harm to ourselves and others. The third flaw is anger, a powerful emotion that can cloud our reasoning and cause us to act impulsively, hurting ourselves and those around us. Anger prevents us from embracing righteousness. The final flaw highlighted by the Thirukkural is harmful words. Our speech has the potential to uplift or destroy. When we indulge in gossip, lies, or hurtful language, we deviate from righteousness and sow discord. The Thirukkural teaches us that true righteousness requires us to transcend these flaws. It invites us to cultivate virtues that counteract envy, desire, anger, and harmful words. By embracing contentment and practicing gratitude, we can free ourselves from envy and desire, find fulfillment in the present moment, and appreciate what we already have. Through patience and forgiveness, we can subdue anger and learn to respond to challenging situations with calmness and understanding, fostering harmony and righteousness. By choosing our words carefully and speaking with kindness and empathy, we create an atmosphere of compassion and respect, nurturing righteousness in ourselves and those around us. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May the wisdom of the Thirukkural inspire and guide us as we aspire to embody true righteousness.